Just imagine you woke up late on a work or school day and you have to rush to catch the bus, but that is not after you get your face beat. In this video, we are going to be doing a minimal and everyday makeup routine. You know, the kind of makeup that is not loud. At the same time, you need it to, take the day. Do not go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, what is good? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel. In case you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Damilola and I'm so glad to have you here. Please don't be a stranger. Okay. If by now, what's today's date? If by now you do not know that the first step and the most important step in your makeup is to do your skin prep, then I don't know how to help you. I irredeemable. I'm sorry, but the first and the most important step in your makeup is to make sure you prep your skin. And that is basically just, hydrating it and moisturizing it and protecting it. Okay. Then after that is primer. If you have an oily skin, please use a mattifying primer. But if you have a dry skin, you can use hydrating primer. Next up after primer is foundation, and for this look you do not need anything too big. A layer of foundation is okay. In fact, if you want to keep it to the barest minimum, I would even advise you, going with your concealer. But for the sake of people with hyperpigmentation, a layer of foundation is okay, is enough. I already applied my one layer of foundation, and as you can see, the hyperpigmentation on my face is not as glaring as it was before I used my foundation. So after this is your concealer. So you apply your concealer, and after applying it, allow it get tacky a bit. That way you will get a full coverage. If you are applying your concealer and you do not make weird or funny faces, are you even applying your concealer the right way? Oh my god. As you guys can tell, I use just a layer of my concealer. That is because, like I said, we're keeping it very simple and mild and not too much. This is like your everyday makeup, and I am sure that no one even does the full glam every single day. Next is my setting powder. We need to set this face so that the creamy product can be in place. I have given this trick before and I'm going to give it again. If you want to have a flawless under eye after your concealer and of course setting powder, before you apply your setting powder, number one, make sure you apply your setting powder immediately after you apply your concealer. That is number one. Number two, before you apply your setting powder, make sure you dust off the excess powder on the setting powder or brush, whichever one you are using, and just apply like this. Yeah, yeah. Now that I have applied my foundation and my concealer, the face is looking flat and bare. So we need to bring back dimension and shadow to the face. Remember, I said this makeup routine is the type you can use for your everyday activity, for work, for school, Aha. So we are going to be doing powder contour, okay? That way you get to save time and you do not have a lot of cream product on your face. So that by the time you get busy with your daily activities, you are not sweating and the whole thing is not coming off. I hope I'm making sense. After contour is blush, aka life, aka color. Okay, you need color and you need, on your face. So next up is blush. Can you guys see the effect of blush on my face? See the way it has changed everything, and the face is looking alive. Next is eye area, and like I said in the beginning, this is everyday makeup routine. Nobody does full eyeshadow glam to work or to school, okay? So we are just going to trace out our brows minimally, and for the eyeshadow, I won't be doing anything. Remember the powder I used for contour? That is what I will also use to contour my eye. I will just bring back shadow on my crease. You are probably rushing to catch a bus, or just trying all your best not to get late to work when you are doing your makeup. So now is not the time to go vava voom with your eyebrows. So you want to keep it minimal. And in case you have imperfections on your brows, remember the my leftover foundation. You can use it to just clean up the areas that are not looking good honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect again, but you still have to look good. So just use your leftover foundation to, clean up wherever you want to clean. Now that we have a bit of liquid product on the brow area, either you've decided to use your concealer or your foundation, you want to put the cream product in place, so you go ahead and set your brow area. Next up is your mascara on your lower lashes and upper lashes. If you feel like it, you can use your eyeliner. But remember, you are rushing to catch a bus, okay? You're late for work already. So if you have the time, please use your eyeliner. I do not have the time and I'm rushing. That is why I'm keeping mine very simple. Next is the lips, and we'll wrap it up. I lined my lips with a brown liner, and now I will be using a lip gloss from Zaron. It is colored, so I don't have to go with lipstick first, and so yeah, gloss. Makeup is done, and I'm ready to take the day. What do you guys think? So minimal, so suitable for everyday look. If you have learned a thing or two from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Give me a thumbs up, comments, let me know what you think about this look in the comment section, and if you can, please share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.